Do you want to wear gloves or no?
Nah, we usually don't. Inside?
Huh?
Inside?
Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. This door not staying open is real fun. Real fun.
There's always a trial. Hold on. Got him.
Okay. So we can't build this unless we walk through the garage for the second pair.
We can walk through the garage.
Okay.
We might as well, right?
Yes. Lock this so no one can get in. All right.
Do you need the pen?
No. You just need you need the pins afterwards. Like after it's all set up. Okay. Just hold that right there. Good. I got this. Now move that one over there. Sure, that audio sounds great.
I'm sure it does. I'm gonna have to lower that in post.
I think they have.
Pick it up and move it back an inch.
Yeah. Split the door. All right, there we should be good. And you want one fist? One fist, so bring yours closer. One fist, a little more. I like one fist because if it does sway, it's not gonna hit the wall.
This fine. I think this is the garage.
Garage door open.
Tarps down, wheels locked.
That's loud. Garage is loud.
Yeah, your house. You remember how I put the platforms on?
Just kind of go underneath and feed it up through the top, and then you just.
You go, yeah, middle, there, and then put the hooks on top.
Take this one in.
Yeah. All right, since we are double layering the scaffolding, I'm gonna take the wheels off, because then that it goes on the tops. You will see. Good?
Yeah.
All right.
You need to go grab the other two things?
Yes. Sometimes I'll be talking to you if it sounds like I'm talking to someone else because I'm talking to the camera.
That's fine.
All right, so we got this two layers of scaffolding. We forgot the outriggers, so we're just gonna have to be a little careful to make sure. Usually there's like extended outriggers right here so that like in the event that this tips this way, it'll kind of help secure it a little bit better. This scaffolding does not have the trapdoor in the middle, so if you are walking up scaffolding, make sure you stay close to the ladder. And you're gonna have to wrap around, and when you wrap around, stay close to the bar. Talking to you two at this point. Stay close to the bar, because if you swing out wide with no outriggers, it could tip the whole thing. Just give me one, hold on to that. Hand me one. There we go. Yep. Got it. That's about as high as I can reach, which means how many feet do you think that is? About 3 feet?
Probably.
Okay, so riggers halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's just do it right about here. That should give us more than enough.
I'll bring you the wood thing.
That works. Platform, and then don't and the bucket. Up too high. It's too low. That was about the first time. Yes, sir. Let me see. There we go. Hold your side. Actually, no, stop for a second. Turn it this way. Put your back on me. There we go. There you go. Lift up, lift up. Hold on, don't let go. All right, we're good. I got it. I don't believe so.
Alright, I'm gonna shut it up.
Copy. All right. There we go. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. So now we're at the proper height where I can work comfortably. So yeah, I mean, it does get a little wobbly, especially at 2, 3 can get even more wobbly. Definitely outriggers for 3 or more. So you should have them for 2, so just be safe. Coming down, again, make sure to hold on to the ladder close and go nice and slow. You want to be able to get to this side quick, because pulling it this way is very hard. Topping it over that way, it's a little bit easier.
Uh-huh.
You'll be fine. All right, safety pins on all the crossbars. Either or. In or out. As long as it's there, that's what matters. These are backups in case these like essentially break. Good. And climb up and just do 2 more right there. Same place, but on the second circle level.
Oh, they're here.
Oh, perfect.
Just want to let them know that we're doing this right now.
They know. That's good.
I hate this.
Nice job. All right, we're all set. Let's go ahead and get suited up. And then we'll go up there. We'll deal with the mullions, and then take measurements. Remind us when we get up there, before we get up there, to take a measuring tape. All right. How do I make sure that this doesn't fall? I had a carabiner in the van at some point.
I think we took those out.
Did I?
I think so.
All right. Here we go. Okay. Up the ladder.
You want me up there?
Yeah. You gotta get up there. Hold on, wait until I get up. We'll both be wiggling. And then what you do, as staying down, in the event that this swings out, you brace it. But now that I'm on here, I can counter the weight, and then it won't go that way.
Ready?
Yep.
I hate this.
Nice and close. There you go. 3 points of contact. Wrap around the side, nice and close. Easy. Hold on tight. There you go. Wide base. Wide base. Now the only thing you don't do, if you're pulling film or anything else like that, bah, you'll pull off and you'll either be hanging by the chandelier or you're bouncing.
Sounds good.
All right.
Let's come out. You.
Carefully. Remember I told you about pulling?
Yeah.
Yeah. Easy.
If
There you go, man. You see what I'm saying about not putting them back in?
yeah.
Getting them out is a pain in the ass. It's raw cut metal, which means it's extremely sharp and could cut you, so just be careful. Pretty sure it's like aluminum. Give it a little wiggle jiggle.
Hold on.
There you go. Very nice. Perfect. And this down this way.
There's up.
Take it out. Perfect.
You're getting the sun out, so you remember?
Yeah.
What do you got?
I don't want to make it bigger than the frame itself.
60.
Hold on. Make it
You wanna go
61 and a quarter.
Okay.
The quarter's important. If we have too much overhang, it's going to be a pain in the butt. 29, look, give me 29 and a half.
I think that's too much.
29 and a quarter.
Okay.
All All right.
Now we climb down.
No, you climb down. I'll take the rest of these down. Yeah. Well, might as well work while we're up here. At least this hose, there's plenty of hose.
Is there?
Yeah.
Nice.
I did the measurement, I think it was 18 feet. And we're 6 plus 9 feet plus another 3. We're roughly 12 feet in the air. So I have 6 more feet. That's good. All right, get going. Your points of contact, get close to the bar. Close to the bar. There you go, hold on tight. There we go. Always 3 points of contact. Don't get wrapped up on the hose. Nice work. Now it's like a ladder. Now
Hate it.
Giggity. I'm gonna put these on here. Down here. That way we're not throwing metal, and then we can reach that floor.
You wanna hand me that tape measure?
Oh, can you grab that? Teamwork. Nice work.
I'll just put it up here.
You know what? You might be right. We might be able to just sit here cross-legged and install.
Because it's really not that low.
Yeah, I like where your head's at.
It's easier than dismantling it just to get back up there.
Exactly.
I'm just trying to take the path of least resistance.
That's the goal. That's the goal.
Take the path that makes me climb the least.
All right. Oh man, could you do me a solid? Can you hit the switch on that tank, the pump?
You want to turn it on?
I forgot. My bad.
That tends to be important.
I got the water.
Nice.
I'm still getting used to the chew spray system and the convenience of it. Shameless plug for someone, for a product that I just love.
How much of this is staying in the video and how much are you cutting?
Everything pretty much stays.
Oh no.
That's the fun part.
Just give it a sec. Oh, it's good.
Because we're just documenting real life.
Yeah.
It's better than it's better than trying to script it, because then whenever it's scripted, you can tell. You can tell. Because you watch enough videos of someone, they're like, and their personality or their persona changes constantly. You're like, Plus, it's a lot of work to script something and remember it and bullet points. I'm just like, let's just let life happen. And we will document it. Good job up here on this. I know this is not something you're very comfortable with.
Hate it.
It's good. And I mean, it's not that you hate it, but it's good that you're getting out of here and like doing it, you know what I mean? Eventually, you're gonna teach someone how to do this.
It's unfortunate for them. I was like 90% sure they could come off.
Yeah, you did good. They came off. Step 1 is determining whether or not they can come off. Step 2 is determining if the client is okay with taking them off and keeping them off. Yeah. Well, I mean, it's $1,000 difference. How much do you love the mullions? I'll probably have you up here for this half moon because
Oh yeah?
I'm trying to do it without you, so I know like I can hone in like the skill, right? So it's never down
Oh yeah? No more just figure it out?
Why do you think I had you cut it at like 61 1/4?
Because you didn't want to do it.
No, because if it's wider than the opening here, then it just becomes a huge pain in the ass.
You heard my struggle, man.
That's it, of course. Of course. If you learn from someone else's mistake, that's the cheapest way.
Sure.
Learn from someone else's pain. That's what I say.
This thing does centimeters too? Or millimeters?
What?
This thing.
1/4 inch.
Well, there's meters is what I'm saying.
Huh?
I know what a 1/4 inch is.
Okay.
I was just talking to you.
There's more units of measurement?
Yeah.
I never noticed.
On the bottom rail.
Oh, that's from metric, I think. We're the only people that use standard. And I don't even know if a standard and metric is right. I think everyone else is on the metric system. That's why they do kilometers. That's why they do all that other stuff. America's the only one that like does inches and feet and and all that stuff. We're like, yeah, we'll be fine. Everyone will figure it out. People wonder why Americans are assholes. Because we're awesome. America! Oh, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I totally forgot they're home.
Yeah, I'm yelling.
Yeah, just screaming.
Like a brute.
Yeah.
Happens.
Yeah, I don't mind if I stop that. I'm gonna be.
Not at all. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm gonna be in this room napping for work.
Absolutely. Imagine we're like, no. Yeah, right?
I'd hate us. Better yet, I'd hate you.
Doing like super cleaning on this thing.
Are you? I'm gonna be.
I think it'd be best if you roll side to side.
That way?
Yeah. So we can unroll it this way. Trying to do a wide roll on a half moon, it would be a pain.
Don't I usually help you out with the big side rolls like this?
Oh, we can, if you like. But I'm trying to do it solo dolo.
Well, I mean, that's fine. I can cut this and try to lay it on the ground gently. And then roll it.
Yeah. Yeah.
I guess. I suppose, as the kids would say.
As the kids say, we're Gucci.
I don't think they say that.
They say that.
They do say that. I know. That's why I like having conversations with Bryce.
Why?
He just says the trippiest things.
Yeah, because you're just an old man now. He's still in high school.
I'm not old.
To Bryce, you are. Ask Bryce. You're old. Sorry, bro. You think I'm old? I'm not even 40, bro.
That's old.
That's not old. It's relative.
You're 39.
That's my point. It's relative.
Ancient.
Yeah. Ask Bryce if you're old.
I'm not.
You are.
I'm not.
And Bryce is. Ask him. You won't ask him because you're afraid of reality.
Run from it. Fear it. It's all the same.
Let the harvest begin. I cannot believe Ethan said that about the.
Man, your son's a weird kid.
He's funny. He is weird, but he's definitely my son.
Oh, I apologize for everyone watching me do this.
That's the real world, man.
The real world sucks.
Before you walk down here, just hand it to me across the way.
Yeah, just trying to roll it. I've had easier times rolling film in my life.
Are you still rolling that?
Yeah, I'm not having a great time over here. It's sticking to itself. I'm on the static.
Oh,
Yeah.
easy. Don't crunch it now.
A lot easier for 2 people. Just so you know.
Should have handed it to me over here. Oh, this is a good video for a half moon and how to do a half moon. Oh, well, how we do a half moon.
Hey, look, here you go. Here you go, rest. Static's driving me up the wall.
Thank you. I think I'm just going to pre-trim it. I just rolled the whole thing and I don't need it rolled. I'm sorry. I didn't know until I knew. Can you get up here, please, so you can give me a hat? Got it? All right, so what we're gonna do here, just be careful. We're gonna drop the bottom to the edge. The liner's facing the glass. You see how it's about to pinch right there? So just don't let it pinch there. Hold on to it and then kind of got it here. Hold that. Here. All right, so that's good right there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your knife and we're just gonna pre-trim it right here and across this way. We're gonna get rid of all this excess, but make sure to push this film against, because if it's floating off the frame, you can cut it short. Good, you're good. Because it's wet, it'll pretty much hold. You just want one hand. You only need one hand to cut, right?
Oh yeah, I thought you were coming out. I was just gonna kind of hold it.
No, you do this. You gotta learn how to do this. But make sure the bottom edge is where you need it to be. And we're gonna have to squeeze this again.
What, in here?
Yep, you wanna be right in that groove right here. So up here. The idea is to cut off all the excess. Just stay in that groove. There you go. And push that down, just float it. There you go. Okay, so the liner side is facing that way. So what we can do now is just double check the bottom is good. You gotta be careful because this is the film side, so if you do anything to this, it'll scratch. So from here, the bottom is set, and we literally just trim this, and now it's cut to shape.
Oh.
Pull it off, squeegee it, stick it.
Kind of wild.
Yeah.
Are you starting down there?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a new blade. It's easier if you. Do you want to do this? It's easier if you do, if one person does it.
Oh, go for it then.
So you just literally. You can tack it with something if you need to. You just want to make sure the film doesn't move, because as we're cutting, if you slide the film, you're smoked. And bridge the gap. You see how there's a bridge right there? You want to bridge that gap, push it into the thing.
That is correct.
All right, trade size with me.
Oh, this is not fun.
Well, just stay close to me.
Well, you get to be on the inside. That's lucky.
I'm cutting.
Interesting excuse.
Thank you. And you could pre-trim and this will be ready to go, just like this. Or what you could do is you could just leave it, lay it, and then trim the film like you normally would. The actual film. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And then every now and then you have to watch and be careful for these, because as you're going, your knife will go, it'll bump and it'll like that. But
So why do you do the liner side against the glass and not towards us, so that protects the film?
because then that's how it's gonna lay, right? Because in the event that it's not perfectly symmetrical, it's gonna be off.
I guess that's true.
Boom. Now this is perfectly cut. I'm gonna try to, because now it's wet, it's gonna be hard to roll. I'm gonna try to
I can
reverse
just
roll
hold
it.
it and then you scrape and then just air peel it.
Yeah, but an air peel is a pain in the ass up here. And we don't have the walking room. I'm just trying to.
Suppose roll will work then.
I'm gonna try it. It might not work actually. A loose roll?
I don't know. So I'm like the third day.
A very loose reverse roll.
Ooh, that's far.
It's only 10 feet.
It's like 18 feet.
No.
I'm like,
Our heads are. Our feet? It's 7 foot distance from the door, standard door. And then
you.
3 feet above that. So we're only 10 feet in the air.
you're only 6'1". I'm 6'2".
Not yet.
Not until, I,
Let me see your ID.
not until I got the DMV.
Wide feet. Wide feet. Wider than shoulder width. That way. You have a good base.
No scrape?
I scraped already.
No, we put the film in
Twice.
glass, but when I put it on the ground, so it'd be good to scrape again.
No, it's not gonna scrape it. Just wet it.
Okay, sure. You've been doing this longer. You're the old man. You know more.
Oh my god. I cannot wait until we get a fucking young dude that doesn't know shit. You're teaching him. He's like, oh god, all your experience. You want to start air peeling or peeling that?
Sure. I'm having a conversation with everyone.
Who?
GTA, my friends last night. GTA came out. GTA 5 came out when I was 13.
Oh.
Which means GTA 5 isn't gonna come. GTA 6 won't come out until I'm literally in my mid 20s.
Yes.
I'm like busy then.
Do not step to your right. A little close. Inside. Wet it? Did you wet it?
Not yet. I'm
Wet
trying to
it.
just peel it first.
No, wet that. You gotta wet this so it sticks. Thanks.
You said wet.
Thanks. Alright, that's it. Hold that there. Alright, good. We did go from left to right. I usually go left to right. Hoppa! You gonna do the honors?
Okay. It's your window. You cut it. This is your baby. I don't want to be up here more than once.
Valid point. So it's a perfect fit.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Nice.
There you go.
You just half moon it all the way around?
Essentially. You can go down with it. You just want to spread it.
Honestly, I don't really know if I have an actual method with this.
Man, definitely got overlap. That's weird.
That feeds right with that guy though.
Yeah. Let's do another pass.
Definitely like, just gotta trim it up down there.
Yeah. Once we bump it, we might be able to push it down there.
Maybe. I keep forgetting this camera's on my head, so I move forward and I'm like, oh, not
Bing.
perfect.
Careful, you're holding it your straight down. I went across like that lightly just to absorb as much moisture as I can.
Maybe just a light trim across the bottom.
Where at?
Just right around there.
Just gotta push it down. Just still bumping right there?
Maybe a little.
Opa, did you hear that?
Yep.
Don't get too hung up on this because they're not even gonna be able to see anything here.
I mean, I'm on top of it though.
Oh, that's true. That's true. I think it looks good. What do you think?
Yeah. I think it looks pretty good. I'm just gonna do a little squeegee pad. Nice. Very good.
That little guy? I wouldn't worry about that little guy.
I wouldn't either. I didn't even notice it until you said it.
Boom.
Are you gonna GoPro for the rest of the install or just?
No, I just wanted to do it for that one. All right, well, we just finished up. Unfortunately, the cameras died in the middle of the installation, so the bottom one was really, I think this video was really more for how to set up scaffolding and kind of maybe also doing the half moon and the experience, basically. The rest of it rolled down fine. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt when you work into ground level, so maybe don't do that. But it turned out really good. That's beautiful. That looks really, really great. So, yep, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you next time.